So we are going to walk to the post office, the guitar place, Apple, maybe get some food, and then come back and work out. So I'm in workout clothes, and he isn't in workout clothes though, because he says it's not cool for a guy to wear workout clothes, but it's cool for a girl to wear workout clothes, which I kind of think it's the opposite. But I guess I should show you my workout outfit, because it's kind of inspired by Lorraine. Actually, these whole videos are kind of inspired by Lorraine. We pretty much love her. We always watch her. Right?
Yeah, I love her eyes.
I love her in general. He loves something else about her. But,
I don't love anything.
Okay. You can film my outfit in the elevator.
I'm filming your outfit in the elevator.
Okay, my shoes are basics. Someone asked me in Florence Spring what shoes I wear to work out. I'm really not picky. Probably try not to get the apartment in it.
No, it's nothing written from the apartment.
Okay.
So.
My shoes are from Basics. These shorts are from Ari, which I saw Lorraine buy. I really like them. So is a sports bra, and the shirt is from American Eagle, and the jacket is just like one of those workout juicy jackets. My glasses are on Lonnie Exchange. What about your outfit? What are you wearing?
Oh, let me check.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, so you're gonna have to walk backwards and.
I'm on the back. So my jacket is from G-Star.
Yes.
My tank top is from H&M.
Yes.
My necklace is from Tiffany's. My gloves
Show off.
are from what are my gloves? I don't know. Gloves.
Yeah. Oh, can you just clear up? There's two questions I always get asked whenever you're in videos. Number one, do you have an accent?
No, I don't have an accent.
That sounded Russian, but his accent's German because he's from Germany.
That's
So the other question we always get asked is if we're dating, which is totally obvious
why
because.
are we walking the wrong way?
Oh, we are. And we're totally not at all. Why'd I say totally? We're totally not. And yeah, we're just roommates.
Yes.
And yeah, I don't even think we're really friends. We honestly hate each other.
Yeah, we sometimes.
We're just stuck because
sometimes
neither of
we
us
say
drive, and we're always stuck walking everywhere together. So I guess we kind of bonded over that. I'm filming you, by the by.
Are you filming me?
This is such. Oh my god! There goes my sunglasses. There goes my sunglasses. Okay. Why is this one in a case? There's so many freaking guitars. Ooh, couch. I'm gonna play now. You ready?
Brittany's hard jamming here.
Hold on. I remember it. Hold on. 2 seconds.
She's wonderwalling. Oh, Brittany, yeah. Yeah. Somehow. Mm.
Oh, is it these two that's in there?
No, one lower. Almost. Kind of.
How do you make that noise?
That's a tremolo effect.
Oh.
I think we can make it even faster.
That was intense. Okay, it's recording now. You check the camera. Do I look okay?
Perfect.
Okay. I'm trying the rind because there's a lot of vitamin
Of an orange.
Yeah. No. It wasn't good the first time either.
No.
Eat a rind.
No.
Eat a rind. It has a lot of vitamins in it. I did it. You're a
You didn't eat like it's such a huge one, actually.
Okay, break it off into little
Do you know
I get-
that the rind of the oranges makes it so that you're not scared of scary movies?
Yeah. Come on, do it. Do it.
I could eat this one here with the rind.
Okay, do that.
Yeah? This one here?
Yeah. Is it good? Yeah? Okay, you do it now. Eat the rind. Eat the rind.
This one?
Yeah. Eat the rind. It's good, right? Can you taste the vitamins? No? Now finish.
Should make an omelet with all these failed things.
There you go. There, that's gonna work. Well, I mean, I don't know if the cheese will go through.
This was such a stupid idea.
Alright, hang on.
Wait, let's wait for it to
Why is it
cook in.
only eggs that
Not
work? I
close.
don't understand.
Alright, so
Because
What's
it's
so
what it's
special?
made of.
round
It's
2,
plastic.
egg.
Not
You
elastic.
said round 2 egg?
Yeah.
just waste our good cheese right there.
Do you
Want
want
that
it?
cheese? African children and shit want that cheese.
Go, put it on.
This time I'm ready. Oh wow,
Nope.
that was fair.
No good.
That's because it was already smoking.
No, don't put water in it. That was crazy. It like pulled the yellow part out of the egg.
Yeah.
That was, I'm pretty sure you can make perpetual motion out of that somehow. No, I'm not even mocking anyone. I'm serious. Oh.
Out of fire.
Put another piece of paper that's already in there.
perpetual since you have to get a fire.
Put another
It
piece.
was.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I think it was.
This is retarded. Oh,
Go, 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 go.
success! No.
Woohoo!
That is fucking awesome. What the fuck?
Oh, that's good. Now that Chrissy video.
Oh shit.
I can edit it out.
Alright.
Why would you do that?
That's not what's
Okay,
supposed to
I'll keep
happen.
Let's get
I
the
don't know
egg
what's
stuck.
Oh well, the accent kind of.
Are we gonna do it in class?
That is fucking.
I don't think we
In
can
class.
put stuff on
Yeah,
fire
this is
in
America.
class.
They're just gonna assume it was you.
Put stuff
Oh,
on
yeah.
fire.
Yeah, because the accent.